Welcome to Joe's Random Reviews. I'm Joe, and today we're at the local RV dealership, and we're going to be looking at a Sonic by Venture RV. So stay tuned, folks. Here it comes. Thank you for joining me again, folks, on Joe's Random Reviews. Today we're going to be looking at this Venture RV Sonic Lite, model number 150VRB. Now this RV is a dry weight of 3,290 pounds. That means you can pull it with a small pickup truck or an SUV, which makes it very convenient. Now let's swing around to the front. You can see that there's a power jack system, there's one propane tank, and it comes with dual batteries. Now there's a storage compartment right at the very front. It's a pass-through storage compartment, which is actually very spacious and allows you to put in a ton of your camping gear that you can retrieve from both sides. As we move further down, you can see this nice big window that lets in lots of natural light. Further down, you've got your Norco refrigerator access, and the electrical plug-in and fresh water fill is just underneath. Now let's have a look at these tires. You can see that they're an off-road tire. They're 15-inch wheels with a matching rear-mounted spare on the back. Now we're going to move a little bit further back and we're going to have a look at your drains. These are going to be your black and gray tank lines. And you've also got your furnace access here at the very back. As we make our way around to the very back of the RV, you can see the matching rim and tire that's mounted on the very back of the RV. If you're getting some value from this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. And you've got your utilities here on the rear where the city water connection can be attached. And on the left, you can see your cable and antenna hookup. Opening up the external storage compartment, which actually has quite a bit of space. This RV comes equipped with the hand cranking stabilization jacks on all four corners. When we had these manual jacks, I used a drill and a socket. It definitely was a fantastic tool when I wanted to set up camp quickly. Just leaves more time for relaxing. This RV features the Asdel siding, which is used instead of plywood, and it's got the off-road package. Now it's time to go inside and let's have a look. So I'm going to pan around from the right to the left and you can see how much space there is in this little RV. There's a ton of room. Let's have a look at the kitchen first. As we look at the kitchen, you can see this cupboard space up top, sink with residential faucet. To the right of the sink, you'll see a dual burner cooktop and you've got a microwave underneath. As we make our way to the bathroom, you can see that there's a huge bathroom here. You've got the toilet right in front of us, you've got your vanity and sink, and you've got a full-size shower on the right with lots of room to move around. This is set up very, very well. As we make our way out of the bathroom, you can see that there's a full-size fridge. Now this is a dual fridge, so it runs on propane and electricity, and it's ready to be filled up. To the right of the fridge, on that same wall, you'll see a small TV that pulls out, and you can adjust it to where you want it to be. Now let's have a look at the couch and bed. Now the couch here is a really good size. Now the great part about this is this could be a couch, or it ends up being a bed as well. You've got a Murphy bed here, folks. It's tucked away, it's out of the way, and it's set up when you need it. All you have to do is pull it down and off you go. You've got a walk-around queen-size bed. Now when I first saw this, I thought it was a really great idea because it really does save a lot of space, and it is an easy way to store your bed and get it out of the way. It really utilizes all the space in a small trailer. So the Sonic Lite is a single-axle, ultra-lightweight travel trailer, and it's got all the amenities of home. If you're looking for a smaller travel trailer that's lightweight and you can pull with your SUV or a small pickup truck, don't overlook the Sonic Lite by Venture RV. I give this little RV trailer a double thumbs up. Thank you for joining me on Joe's Random Reviews. I hope you enjoyed this video today. Let me know what you think of this Sonic. Do you like it? Let me know if it's something that you would consider. Is it something that you would purchase? Let me know in the comments below. And if you like smaller RVs, compact RVs, RVs that you can tow with an SUV or a small vehicle, check out this video right here. Please give this video a thumbs up and take the time to subscribe and ring that bell so you can be notified when the next video comes out. Thank you, and we'll see you on the next one.